So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the card to the booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, tap on manage your account, and tap on payment details. And here we can proceed by tapping on add card. Here we can enter our name, the card number, the expiration date, and then just tap on save card to save it inside the app. And then when we have to pay for an apartment, we can do it inside the app. So no need to do some extra steps. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.